Does Monzo give credit? Intro. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Monzo. Monzo is a digital bank that's been gaining a lot of popularity in recent years, and for good reason. They offer a lot of great features, including free international spending, cashback rewards, and a really cool app. But one thing that people often wonder about is whether or not Monzo gives credit. So, does Monzo give credit? The short answer is no, Monzo does not currently offer any credit products. However, they do offer a number of other financial products that can help you manage your money and build your credit score. In-depth explanation. One of the best ways to build your credit score is to use a credit card responsibly. And while Monzo doesn't offer credit cards, they do offer a virtual card that you can use to make online purchases. This virtual card can help you build your credit score by reporting your payment activity to credit bureaus. Another way to build your credit score with Monzo is to use their overdraft facility. This facility allows you to withdraw more money than you have in your account, up to a certain limit. However, it's important to note that overdraft fees can be expensive, so you should only use this facility if you're sure you can afford it. In addition to the above, Monzo also offers a number of other features that can help you manage your money and save for the future. These features include free international spending, cashback rewards, a budgeting tool, a savings pot, a roundup feature. Conclusion. So, while Monzo doesn't currently offer credit, they do offer a number of other financial products that can help you manage your money and build your credit score. If you're looking for a bank that offers a wide range of features and benefits, Monzo is definitely worth considering. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Additional notes. You can add some visuals to your video, such as screenshots of the Monzo app or images of people using Monzo products. You can also add some music to your video to make it more engaging. You can promote your video on social media and other channels to reach a wider audience. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.